Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to connect DroidCam OBS using USB. I have already installed DroidCam on my phone. First, open settings and go to About Phone. Then tap on build number several times to enable developer options. I have already enabled it, so now open developer options. Then turn on USB debugging. Next, open the DroidCam app on your phone and complete the setup. Make sure to allow camera and microphone access. After that, go to your PC and open your browser. Search for DroidCam OBS on Google and go to the official website, download it and install it. Once it's installed, open OBS Studio. Then add a new DroidCam OBS source and give it a name if you want. Now connect your mobile device using a USB and on your phone screen, you should see a pop-up window. Now tick always allow if you want and tap OK. If you don't see the pop-up window, you may need to install the USB drivers for your phone on computer. You can search on Google for your phone model's USB drivers and install them. After allowing the connection, go back to OBS and click Refresh Device List. You should now see your phone. Select it and it will connect through USB. That's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.